to a special day at LanguageSitter. Today was my exchange within an exchange. I participated in a company exchange with MBILS, the host company of another European experience student. Matt and his mentors Primož and Sarah introduced their company and presented how the MBILS app can change the way we transfer money. Can you believe it can work at a vending machine? How cool is that? Then I introduced the crew of MBILS to LanguageSitter. I talked about our philosophy and how I've seen it reflected in my experiences here. So I went with one of our language sitters to a nearby town where the client, we met him near his workplace. I really enjoyed going with Mart to learn about another company and seeing what one of my peers has been up to. That's all for today, folks. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.